Welcome to Tech Ambience. Today we're going to be reviewing this oGoDeal Smart Toolset Precision Toolkit. Starting off with our tools that they give. There's a wedge tool that's used for mainly between wedging between a screen on a phone or an LCD of some sort. A brush. This is mainly for very fine cleaning or removing cables, ribbon cables out of a laptop. For example, a cloth to clean our tools. This is portable as a keychain. You can unscrew it. Inside there will be a Phillips head screw. If you screw off the other side, you'll find a flathead screwdriver, both precision, both small, and it's also able to hold different screw sets. We have a magnetic mat to hold any screws. There's different wedging tools. I won't be going through all of them, but you're more than welcome to see. Of course, this has a SIM removal pin. This can be used for phones, laptops, PlayStation 4s, PlayStation 5s, PCs, whatever tech that requires small screws and precision workings. This suction cup is used for phones to essentially lift the screen up and off, aiding with that, providing good suction. As you can see, insanely strong. I'm going to leave it on there as proof. These are meant to be used with our screwdriver, our main screwdriver. You can also see our small tweezers, very fine, very tiny. We're going to put these over here, put these there. Our screwdriver. Right, to demonstrate the use that this screwdriver provides with its comfortable sitting, nice grip, you're even able to, by pulling down this lock, you're able to extend how far the screwdriver goes out. So you might not need to be as close to something to screw it, or you might want to be, so you can push it all the way down and go straight into work. There's a flexible screwdriver that I can pull out and show you. For in different and difficult situations, you can screw and bend the screwdriver to however you see fit. Different wedging tools, like I said, I won't be pulling them out, as you can probably guess what they're used for. Now on to probably the best part of this tool set. 120 odd bits that can be used for different situations. And to show its usefulness, I'm going to completely undo a laptop, an old laptop that doesn't seem to work, but we're just going to open it up and show you how useful these can be. Starting from the outside, you can see a Phillips head is needed, so we're going to look at Phillips heads, which are here at 5, 8. You can grab this one right here, or down here there's some Phillips heads as well. We're going to grab this one, see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, we'll move on to the next one. It fits nicely. I'm able to screw it one-handed as well, and this rotating piece makes it so that I don't blister my own skin. Let's begin. Okay, now that all the screws are out, as you can see, magnetic mat does a really good job at holding screws. Of course, it's not perfect, so if I do it completely vertically and shake it a bit, they will fall off, but for the most part, whenever they're sitting down, you can have peace of mind that the screws will not walk anywhere. Okay, so now we need a wedging tool. We're going to be using this, or you can use something else. Probably use this one. We need to get between this little seam here. So as you can tell, this laptop's already been opened effortlessly, just using it to click open our laptop. And just keep on going on. As soon as it's up, Now, as you can see, we've opened up our laptop. For today, I'm going to probably get to the CPU by removing the heatsink. Or that might not be necessary. All the screws here are Phillips headset. I could be using the same screw set, or I could switch between this to whatever else might be needed. Some devices often use these sort of screw bits. Sorry, they're quite weird with that. Don't know why they need to be different screws, but I'm sure they have their reasons, these developers. But it could be used for anything of your wildest imagination. As you can see, different sizes as well. Very good, effortlessly pulling out our laptop, pulling it apart. Yeah, as you could tell, that was very easy for me to open up thanks to the tools from this tool set. I could use this to clean up, for example, our heatsink. If it was dirty, I can brush through finely, or if I needed to pick up some dirt or scrape in between the circuit board, although you really shouldn't. You can use this plastic tool, which has a very, very fine tip that can be used to scrape off dirt or scrape off stickers if you need to, very delicately. You can use it to remove ribbons very carefully as well, using the flat end, and then I can pull it underneath the ribbon. Made it very simple for me, this tool, able to pull the locking mechanism up and pull out the ribbon very easily. All in all, this tool set's pretty great. I've used it to open up my phone as well, or my older phones. Cleaning them, repairing them was very easy with this screw set, with these wedges especially, to wedge between the screen and the phone frame itself. I use that to rip open the LCD, very thin plastic as well, so that it doesn't short anything. It's pretty durable for a plastic one. These can be used for screws as well, to magnetize and demagnetize. If you look up close, can be used to hold many things. But yeah, you could easily just take off our screw set, put it back where you found it, close it up, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to put back the laptop and then pack up, and then I'll give my finishing thoughts. And voila, we're done. Very easy, very simple. Didn't take me long at all to find what I needed to find. The mat made sure I didn't lose any screws. The box was nice, organized, easy to use, although it was a bit difficult to push in some of the wedge tools. It's a bit tough, but they hold it nice and securely, so it's not that bad. It's pretty, as in weight, it's pretty substantial. It is pretty portable, can be used, can be taken in your bags wherever you need it, if you have a tech bag or a repair bag. Yeah, it's very useful, and for its price of £15, it's very you're getting a lot of value out of it. It's also going to be very useful in the future. It's not a one-time purchase or one-time use sort of thing. I've used it on my laptop. You could use it on your computer. You could use it on a microwave if you have to. You could use it on a TV. You could use it on a monitor. You could use it on many things. It doesn't have to be limited just to computers, laptops, or phones, or whatever else. But these screw sets are to be used where precision is needed for smaller screws. Thank you guys for coming along and watching our review video. General consensus, it is a very useful toolkit if you do need it and find yourself in constant need for smaller screws. I would definitely say yes, buy it. There's a link in the bottom of the description that will take you to Amazon. Feel free to go and check that out if you need to. Thank you for watching our video, and I'll see you guys later.